Alright guys, so I have some very interesting news. I'm not gonna tell you what I bought, but I bought a new project that's gonna be wide-bodied and possibly set up as a drift car. So we're on the way to go pick it up right now, and maybe I'll show you guys us picking it up. I'm not sure yet. I gotta see how the guy is, but stay tuned. They both be ready on the brakes. Hey man, those wheels aren't looking the same direction now. Push. Alright, hey man, I'm not pushing this uphill. The two front tires are like that. They died or no.
What's in there?
Yeah, a lot of cars.
Oh, it's looking dirty.
Yeah, the house in the corner. I think there's a medical emergency.
Close, watch the door.
Camille, out of the way. You can stop recording it.
No, let her record everything, but step further back.
Oh, I think he was whooping them, but that's why they got no sirens.
No, they came with sirens.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, well, I heard them.
I didn't hear anything.
I know one came out before you
That's
did.
why.
Hopefully these batteries work, because they're for a boat.
Batteries for a boat?
I think that's what he's saying. No, it's not working.
Hello? Hi.
You don't see the jumper cables of the Jeep?
No, because once I disconnect it, it's going to die. Alright, so I can't really move the car around right now and look at it and show you guys everything because I'm going to be late for work. But that's going to be tomorrow, and I will tell you guys all the details in the next clip. See you guys soon, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. And I have some ideas that you guys might or might not like, but that might be for the future. We'll see. Alright guys, so this is the next day. Finally got some sleep, and now I have a little time to kind of go over the car. So I'm just going to do a kind of overview video just so you guys can see what I got myself into. And pretty much just go over kind of the game plan with this car. So here it is. We covered it up because it was raining last night, so there's some exposed wires over there. That window is busted, so we covered that up. But kind of just a quick glance at the car. It does have some work that needs to be done. The car is not 100%. Besides damage, the rest of the car is not 100%. Like you can see right here, there's some rust. But that's not a big deal because towards the end of this video, I'll show you why. A couple, things and dents here, but that idea is to repaint the whole car. Got a scratch right there. The sunroof looks good. It's dirty, faded stripes. So we got a full backup sensors. Could care less about those, to be honest. It's not bad. Like the majority of the car is pretty solid. It's just the front end damage and then minor blemishes. Underneath it's not bad either. You could tell it's original suspension and all that stuff, but obviously all that's gonna get replaced. Let's see. So from the front of it, the guy that sold it to me said the frame was bent. But looking at it now, I'm gonna get it set up in the next video so you guys do a full overview of the damage. but it doesn't look bent at all, honestly. The only thing that looks, so you see this right here, I gotta find out where this goes to, because that might just be the support for the shock tower. That might have ripped but not bent the actual frame. So if that's the case, yeah, because look, see, if that's the case, I could just order a new shock tower mount and weld it in place and bond it in. So that's not that big of a deal. You know, back here it's all solid and straight. It looks like when they got into the accident, it literally, whatever he hit or she hit, either the back, it looks like a back of a truck or a pole or whatever, it just crushed straight this way. So there's no damage on this side. Yeah, there's some plastics. The radiator is a little twisted. Not too much, but it's pushed back a little bit. Let me open up that hood. Yeah, see? It's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. And this is, I had one. Yeah, somebody took, I gotta flush the fluids out because somebody took that out. Tell somebody did some work to it, but somebody took parts of it. But that's not a big deal because I'm just gonna flush all the fluids out once I get this car back together. There's a fuse box just dangling there. It's not bad. It is not bad. The biggest thing on the interior is so the biggest thing on the interior is that it's dirty. Don't get me wrong. Oh, there's a fog light and some hood latch. That's nice. I actually didn't check nothing. So the car is dirty, but besides that, like, the leather's a little worn here, but that's not a big deal. Besides being dirty, it does have the upgraded sound system. It has a Boston premium audio. Steering wheel's toast, but again, not a big deal. Heads up display. Oh, it got heated seats too. Look at that. So this is gonna require very good cleaning. And I think, I can't tell because I could see the edge a little bit, but it might have the lighting package. So we'll see. We shall see. Let me get out. So the trunk's right there. The only way to access is through the emergency latch because there's no power. 1 second. But yeah, see, it's not bad at all. Very dirty. This seatbelt was cut, and this one's blown, so it's gonna have to get rebuilt. Either rebuilt or, yeah, they're all blown. That's not a big deal. I could get them sent out to rebuild them, or if I use the car specific on the track, I don't care. I'm just gonna do a full cage. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this pickup. So right now I'm just gonna set up a time lapse because this car is gonna live in this, I'll call it bay of my shop. It's gonna go in here. I'm gonna have to move some of this stuff, but let me set up the time lapse so you guys can see the whole process. this is where it's gonna sit for now, at least. Just so I have access to the garage, but I'm gonna scoot it further back later. It's just I'm tired. But yeah, so the goal for the car, once I go ahead and dig into the damage, is this, a wide body kit. So I'm gonna be putting the MB Design wide body kit back on this car, and maybe make it a track car, like a drift car. Not sure. I'm not 100% sure. That's definitely something I'd love to take up, but we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, I'm not done with the Corvette. Don't worry about that. This is just too good to pass up, so I picked it up. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos and want to see me build an MB Design Camaro, I know my previous videos on my old Camaro, you got a lot of support and people are asking questions about it and all this. So I'm going to be doing the same thing, but this one I'm going to do an actual in-depth tutorial on how to install the body kit on your Camaro by yourself at home, you know, with and without like proper tools, because I do have a welder and all that kind of stuff, but you could go without, and I'll show you guys in the future videos how I did that on my first Camaro. Peace.